Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Affinity Photo and Adobe Photoshop to see which is the ultimate photo editing software to use in 2025. After testing both extensively, here's what we discovered. Affinity Photo is a one-time purchase, which makes it super attractive compared to Photoshop's monthly subscription. It's lightweight, runs smoothly even on modest hardware, and offers a powerful set of editing tools that cover most professional needs. We liked its speed and the fact that it's beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for advanced editing. Photoshop, on the other hand, remains the industry standard. It has unmatched features like advanced masking, AI-powered tools, and seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. If you're a professional designer or photographer, Photoshop is hard to beat. It's also constantly updated with cutting-edge features, which Affinity sometimes lags behind on. The downsides? Affinity lacks some high-end plugins and industry integrations that Photoshop offers. Meanwhile, Photoshop's subscription model can get really expensive, especially if you're only using it occasionally. So the verdict? If you're a casual creator, student, or budget-conscious user, Affinity is a smarter choice. If you're a professional working in teams or need the absolute best tools, Photoshop still reigns supreme. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.